now I'm here at Lime El Nido and I'm going up to my room located at the 8th floor. So tayo. So transferring from the 3rd floor going to the 8th floor. So meron connecting elevator here. Okay. See kung gaano pa siya kalaki. And thank you El Nido for letting us stay here overnight. Not exactly overnight, but we stop over before going to our next destination. This is Mamila from Manila Society, and right now we're here at Lime Resort in El Nido. So I have your cat kasi diba normally from Puerto, paano ba mag-commute?
From Puerto Princesa, we do offer naman po like transportation.
Okay.
We do offer for sharing, which is 800 per person po.
800 from the airport? Oh, nice!
Oh, and then we also have private bento, which is 7,000 pesos from Puerto Princesa and Rock here po.
Pero yun group na?
private po.
Oh, yun yan. Kung ilan sila, basta buong van. Pero kung halimbawa, solo backpacker lang ako, coming from Puerto Princesa, normally kami, kasi personally kami, like cherry ba? So yun lang yun yung mga means and ways natin. Okay. So ito naman, once here na nandito tayo sa El Nido, kasi siyempre, di ba, there are lots of tours na ino-offer. Pero ba tayong mga katay, a partnership with other tour guide? O meron kayo talagang particularly sa inyo?
Here po from the hotel, we have a particular tie-up which is Señorita Travel and Tours. So you could just book directly with us po, and then we send all the details. Like if you book tours with us po, so that will be directed po with our tie-up. So
Directed na.
Yes po.
Okay. So all the rooms here are with breakfast, di ba?
Yes po, breakfast is included po.
Included talaga. Pero how many rooms do we have ba here in Lime Resort? El Nido?
For all po, we have 162 rooms. That's
162 rooms?
Yes po,
Okay.
162 rooms that is on
Okay, pwede mo masabi sa akin kung ilan divided? Like ilan yung deluxe, may suite ba tayo, meron ba tayong for group, families, you know?
We do have this smallest room category that we have. We have superior rooms. And we have po next is deluxe rooms mountain side. So that has 2 double beds din po. And then we have deluxe room which has partial sea view. So all the rooms po facing this view.
Facing the view. Ang galing nga guys, pagising ko, grabe. Pagising ko kagad, kita ko kagad ang seascapes, the mountain talaga eh, no? Grabe talaga. Tapos, okay, besides that, kung halimbawa naman, just to wanna stay here in the hotel, ano yung mga amenities, activities na pwede kong gawin dito?
Here po on the hotel, we do offer like included na po like breakfast. And then we have po infinity pool.
Oh, yun guys, check out the infinity pool. Ako na magsasabi, the sky deck.
Yes.
Grabe. And what else? Amenities like, do we have gym, sauna, massage?
We have our gym po. We also have
Spa?
And we have kids playground.
Please breaker. Yun yung nakita ko sa 6th floor. Okay, ano ba yung mga neighbor, parang community around Lime? Kasi kunyari, I wanna go out, meron ba magandang kainan? Sorry, although meron tayong cafe and all, pero meron pa bang ibang lugar dito na walking distance lang from the hotel para lang pangpaalis ba ng just wanna stretch out?
We have naman po the nearby restaurants po from Lime. We have Chica Chica, Panorama Views po. It's just around 5 minutes away from this place.
Okay, church
po, it's around 15 minutes lang. That's in town.
In taas, so malapit na rin. So, from here, mga 15 minutes lang guys, nasa town na kayo. Okay, that's it. And so for other details, promos, inquiries, where can they inquire?
You can just message us po through email, elnido@lime.page. And you can also check our website. We do have the contact number, emails, and all the information for you.
Okay, so that's it guys. This is Mamila and thank you Kat for all the details. So guys, next time you check out El Nido, do stay here at Lime. Bagong-bago. Kailan lang na-construct?
December 2022.
December lang 2022. And grabe aesthetic sila dito. Plus, you know, the stuff. It's a yes for me. Bye!